This is the simulation shoot here. It moves when you fire. You can see that. Just like the real one. So hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel again, and today I have with me another fully automatic assault rifle. Ta-da! This is the one. It's a SCAR. You can see where it's written. There it is. You can see that. There it is. SCAR. So this is a nice rifle. I like it most. And in the PUBG game, I prefer the SCAR because it has the more accuracy. So this is the box pack, and this one's size will be around 29 inches, close to 30 inches, like that. So this is it. This is the back side, and I like the black color, but that's not available in the market. So I got this one, the blue one, and got it from Amazon, and it cost me 1600, which is pretty much less when you talk about fully automatic rifle, you know. So this is the one, and now let's quickly open this up, and then we're gonna shoot. Alright, so I've removed this tray from the main packing box, and you can see this is all what you get. This is the main gun, this is the buttstock, and these are the 7mm gel ball bullet packets. This is the magazine, and this is the front muzzle with the barrel, and this is the scope. It's a fake one, and here this is a eye gear, this is a charging card, and this is the battery, 500 mAh battery. So that's all what you get. And also there will be a container here that is in use now. I have put the 7mm bullets in that with water. So that's it. Now let's take them all out of the box. This is a gun. It's the buttstock. So this is the connection for the battery. I'll go inside and just slide that in. Okay, alright. Now you can see the wear here. This is the front muzzle with the barrel. Just simply push it. That's it. And the magazine. Alright, it's done. So now it's ready, and here this is the switch. Turning on and off. It's off now. You see nothing. It's turned on, and this is a simulation shot here, just like the other one I have shown you before. So that's it. Now it's ready to shoot. Well, this is it. It's all fully assembled now, and you can see it's quite a big one, and also you can extend the buttstock. That's it, and that's gonna give you a good support here. You can see. So that's it. Alright, now let's fill this magazine up with the gel bullets, and let's do shoot. Alright, so it's all set, and this is also ready. It's filled with bullets, you can see. So I am the commando with the FN Scar rifle, and these are my enemies. So let's just shoot them. Oh, forgot this. Oops, the magazine is empty. Need to fill this again. So the magazine is ready again. Shoot these enemies. 4 enemies are there. Ah! All the enemies are dead, so I own the war. I mean, you own the war, right? So that's it, guys. That's all for today. It's fun playing with this gun like this, so I'm gonna play with it again. So that's all for today. Hope you're gonna like the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.